Today we are making brownies, but we are making them out of a dark chocolate fudge cake mix. We're adding some yummy things in it, and they are so delicious. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. Start out with just our dark chocolate fudge cake. Then we're gonna add 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil. That's it. We're gonna mix it all together. And then we have to add some yummy things just to make it that much better. We're gonna add some Andes mints. I'm just cutting them up in little pieces. Then we'll add those to our brownie batter. And then we're gonna put a half a cup of chocolate chips also. After we dump it into our greased pan, we're going to bake it at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna make our ganache. Half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half a cup of heavy cream. We're just gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Once our brownies have cooled, we're gonna dump the ganache right on top, spread it around. Holy moly, you guys. These brownies were so yummy. Could be my favorite brownies. Made out of cake mix, 3 ingredients. Go try it. Let me know if you guys like them. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.